So these are the first type of beads I'll use. They are the Affi-Gel blue gel beads. They're soft, so I need to use a pooled glass pipette at the end of a mouth pipette to place these beads on explants. The second type of bead that I'll demonstrate are heparin acrylic beads. They are a stiff type of bead, and I will place these beads on explants using a tungsten needle. So these are the glass capillary tubes that I'll first melt using the Bunsen burner, then I'll pull them to create a finer tip. So I hold the capillary tube in the middle of the flame and I roll it as the tube melts. I can feel it get soft.